Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn We the Travelers. I together, step by step. Let's travel! In this chapter, we use directions and distances to follow routes on a map and add up how far we go. There are 4 main directions: north, south, east, and west. North points up, south down, east to the right, west to the left. Between them lie northeast, northwest, and so on. To follow a route, take each instruction in turn, its direction and how far, and keep a running total of the distance traveled. If you walk 3 kilometers east and then 4 kilometers north, the total distance you walk is 3 plus 4, 7 kilometers. To recap, know the 4 directions, follow a route step by step, and add the distances to find how far you've traveled. Well done. Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.